Here we've got Samsung Galaxy A21s, and let me show you how to activate call waiting on the following device. So first of all, you have to open your phone dialer, tap on the more icon then, and now click on the settings. Scroll a bit lower and tap on Supplementary services. Wait a couple of seconds. And as you can see, now it is active, so call waiting feature is on. You can deactivate it the same way, and unless it is active, you can activate it the same way. So just tap here, and from now on you will be able to hear a sound from another call when you are already on the phone. So this is it. This is how you can activate call waiting. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.